أفمن كان على بينة من ربه ويتلوه شاهد منه ومن قبله كتاب موسى إماما ورحمة أولئك يؤمنون به ومن يكفر به من الأحزاب فالنار موعده فلا تك في مرية منه إنه الحق من ربك ولكن أكثر الناس لا يؤمنون.
So is one who stands upon a clear evidence from his Lord like the aforementioned, and a witness from him follows it, and before it was the scripture of Moses to lead and as mercy. Those believers in the former revelations believe in it, but whoever disbelieves in it from the various factions, the fire is his promised destination. So be not in doubt about it. Indeed, it is the truth from your Lord, but most of the people do not believe.